Good day, everyone. My name is Zane, and I welcome you to Physics Base Camp. This quick little video is simply an introduction with a bit about my channel and myself, where I wish to talk about physics as a whole and its grave importance in the world around us. I first want to thank you, though, for coming here to Physics Base Camp. I appreciate it very, very much, and would love your support through subscribing and other such means if you would give it. But anyways, my name is again Zane, and I am a high school student at an engineering school. I always have had a great fondness for math and the sciences. I love problem solving and thinking, and the subjects of math and science offered just that. And yet, when I took physics as a class, as a subject, I feel like it truly warped my perception of mathematics and science as a whole, and to a very large extent. So let me tell you a bit about that. In general, I feel that many students my age, and ones both younger and older, have a certain mindset regarding mathematics. Many see it as just numbers and pointless processes that they should memorize and learn how to do, just to do it. Like, let me learn how to graph or learn what types of numbers there are, just because that's what my teacher wants. Let me learn about the different organs in the body and the different ecosystems on the planet so I can just pass this test. And I think that's certainly a reasonable standpoint, since many schools and teachers don't actually show and offer the true benefits of mathematics and science. Students like myself have no reason to see it as useful and interesting, because no one actually shows us that it is. And once you see it as just work to do for school, it's rather hard to escape that mindset, since it seems pointless to do so. And yet, the thing is, taking physics enlightens you in just that way. Yeah, it can be a difficult class, but physics is about how the world itself works, about all the gears and cogs in the huge system of our universe, and it's insane just how much mathematics is embedded in these daily things we see as normal. Things you'd never guess have anything to do with math. Math isn't just about multiplying numbers and solving silly word problems. And like I said, the way teachers present it makes it seem like it actually is just about that silly stuff, when in fact, it really isn't. And when you take physics, I feel like it truly shows you this. Shows you how useful and interesting mathematics actually is. It shows you it isn't just memorizing numbers and shapes just to memorize them. Rather, taking physics shows the hidden uses in understanding our world. And the same going for science too. You discover these enthralling concepts and see these stunning mechanisms, which are really so much more than solving little word problems and doing work because your teacher gives it to you. It's really quite easy to see physics and other classes as just more work and more memorization. But for physics in particular, I'm simply saying that I feel like it's just so interesting to learn the crazy mechanics of our world, to learn about movement and forces, energy, electricity, magnetism, waves, and so much more. I find it fascinating to see these things and know how they work, and just know how interrelated it is with mathematics too. But the reason I'm saying this is to show you why I'm trying to build Physics Base Camp, this channel. It's to show and educate people on physics and help them in their physics classes, since it is indeed a difficult class. Because by understanding physics, you can cruise through it easily. And by being able to cruise through it, the class becomes way more interesting and fun. And that is my goal and the true purpose of this channel, to make it so everyone can enjoy physics and see mathematics in a new light. So, that was a little introduction of my channel and my goal with it, and I thank you for listening to what I had to say. If you aren't convinced yet, seriously, check out some of my videos and learn about some cool physics things. And additionally, I really encourage you to do some research of your own. Look into how useful mathematics and science is if you don't believe me. You seriously may come out seeing these things in a completely new and much better way. Thank you again for stopping by, and I sincerely hope you enjoy your stay.